friends, a very good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about measures of sun protection. Sun is very good for our life, for our survival, but the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun produce adverse effects on the skin. Photoprotection is protection from ultraviolet radiation of the sun which have deleterious effect. These photoprotection measures include umbrellas, hats, goggles, covered clothing. We also need to avoid the sun when it is at peak and using the sunscreens. Sunscreen agents are classified depending upon two categories, topical and systemic. Topical sunscreen agents are the ones which are applied topically on the skin, on the external surface of the body. These are further divided into organic and inorganic. Inorganic sunscreen are physical sunscreen agent, and examples include zinc oxide, titanium dioxide. Sunscreens are also classified depending upon spectrum of protection. UVA filters prevent from UVA rays. Examples are benzophenols, miradimate, avobenzone. UVB filters prevent from UVB rays. Examples include PABA, that is para-aminobenzoic acid derivatives, salicylates, cinnamates, homosalate, octocrylene. The broad spectrum sunscreen agent used for protection which is complete, that is UVA as well as UVB rays protection. The examples include Mexoryl and Tinozol. Here there are three figures. The first one is unprotected skin where no sunscreen agent has been used and both UVB and UVA rays as shown by the arrows enter to the skin and cause harmful effects. UVB protected skin where UVB rays are reflected or absorbed. However, UVA rays enter the deeper layer of the skin. Third image shows when we are using broad spectrum sunscreen, both UVB and UVA are reflected or absorbed and we get the complete photoprotection. In the market, there are different sunscreen agents present in the form of creams, emulsions, sprays, but we need to choose the right sunscreen for our skin. Thanks.